Learn how to make 3D things. First, you want to delete Scratch Cat. Sorry, Scratch Cat, dead. Then, we want to create a sprite. First, we're going to create the costumes. And right now, we're going to make a cube. So, do the square with an outline, then duplicate. Then we want to turn off outline, get a dot, make it black or whatever color your outline is, and then put it all in the 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want to name this one corners, and this one is outline. Okay, time to code. You want to drag out your when flag to click. You want to do the variable and name it turn. And you'll see why it's useful later. Okay, set variable turn to 0. Then you want to drag out your switch costume to outline and create clone of myself. Also, you want to go to 0, 0 or wherever you want the cube to be. And right now this will just create it. And also you want to hide block, and when I start as clone, show. I'll do the coding later. So right now we just got this. Now this is the fun part, the best part. Repeat. Wait, let's just look at how big it is. 81 by 81. I'm going to set it to 81. Repeat 81. Then we want to create clone of myself. Wait, but before that, we need to switch costume to corners. Create clone of myself and change Y by 1. With this, it will make like the middle section. Then we want to outline, another outline. Change Y by 1, and now we just have to do the last part. Set my variable to 1, and now let's do the clone coding. This will make it look 3D, because this doesn't really look 3D, it just looks like 2 squares. Wait until turn equals 1. We want that. Then we want a forever loop and turn 1 degree. And there. You can also make it instant by doing that. It makes it instant. Right, I think so. Right, and this needs to be turned. See, it makes it instant. Is that cool, guys? And I'll be making another, and you can also make anything you want. I'll show you some things I made with it. But first, let's name it cube. And I'll show you what I made with it. Inventory. Oh, it's up there. Minigun. I made a minigun with this. But if you may be wondering, how does this work? Well, every thing, each layer is a different costume. Like, this is the handle. This is the base, you see that without a handle. And this is the costume for bars, and this is the bar support or whatever that is. And yeah, and I'll show you what else I made. Here. See, I made this no sign. Yeah, I tried to make it look OP, but really, all these things are useless. This is all useless. Whatever this is useless. That's useless. That's useless. That's my little secret. Tried to make it look extreme, but all this is just the next costume. Like, these are all the costumes I used. This is what the no thing is. Oh my god, so many costumes. And yeah, that's what you can make with it. So guys, bye!